Ever thought a simple drawing, your favorite song, or even a random meme could be worth thousands or even millions of dollars? Welcome to the world of NFTs. They're transforming digital creations into gold mines for artists, collectors, and entrepreneurs. Whether you're a total beginner or just curious about making money online, I'll guide you step by step on how to tap into this exciting opportunity and start profiting from NFTs today. First, what are NFTs? NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are like digital certificates of ownership stored on the blockchain. Think of them as a virtual autograph for something unique, like a digital trading card or a one-of-a-kind song. For example, an artist named Beeple sold an NFT for $69 million, proving that digital creations can be just as valuable as physical art. So why are NFTs valuable? NFTs are valuable because they combine uniqueness, scarcity, and ownership. Imagine owning the original Mona Lisa versus a copy. NFTs make digital content as rare as owning the real thing. A great example? The Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs. Each ape is unique, and owning one unlocks access to exclusive perks like private events and communities. It's not just art, it's access and status. Do I need skills or money to start? Good news, you don't need to be a tech wizard or a professional artist to succeed. Many people start by experimenting with free tools to create NFTs, or even flipping affordable NFTs for profit. All you really need is a little creativity, some curiosity, and a willingness to learn. How to make money with NFTs. Now let's get practical. Here's how to start making money with NFTs. Step 1. Create your own NFT. Want to create an NFT? Here's how you do it. Number 1. Choose a digital asset. This could be art, a photo, music, or even a 3D model. For example, musician 3LAU turned his songs into NFTs and earned over $11 million in just 1 year. Number 2. Select a blockchain. Ethereum is popular, but platforms like Polygon are cheaper for beginners. Number 3. Mint your NFT. Use platforms like OpenSea or Rarible to mint your NFT, which essentially means uploading it to the blockchain. Step 2. Pick the right platform. Where you sell your NFT matters. OpenSea is beginner-friendly with a wide audience. Foundation is exclusive, ideal for premium art. Rarible is great for community-driven projects. If you're starting out, OpenSea is the go-to. Step 3. Make your NFT stand out. How do you ensure your NFT sells? Tell a story. People don't just buy art, they buy meaning. For example, Jack Dorsey sold his first tweet as an NFT for $2.9 million because of its historical significance. Build a community. Engage with your audience on social media. Twitter and Discord are where most NFT conversations happen. Follow trends, research what's in demand. Pixel art, music videos, and gamified NFTs are hot right now. Step 4. Explore niche opportunities. NFTs aren't just for art. You can sell photography, like Justin Aversano, who sold a twin-themed photo series for $1 million. Turn music into NFTs like Kings of Leon, who made $2 million from their album release. Create utility-based NFTs, such as virtual real estate in the metaverse. How much money do I need to start? Getting started doesn't have to be expensive. Some platforms, like OpenSea, let you mint NFTs for free using gasless options on Polygon. If you're buying NFTs, start small. Some cost as little as $10. The key is learning the ropes before investing heavily. So let's recap. 1. Understand NFTs and why they're valuable. 2. Create your own NFT or buy one to flip for profit. 3. Choose the right platform and build your community. 4th. Experiment with different niches to find what works for you. NFTs are an exciting opportunity, but they're still evolving, so start small, stay curious, and keep learning. Ready to get started? Drop a comment if you have questions or want me to dive deeper into specific topics. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe Money A to Z for more tips on making money. See you in the next video.